Remember, you can find the link to upcoming workshops and courses in the video description and first comment. Hi, I'm Rocio Santibanez, a John Method instructor. Welcome to this blood pressure strengthening challenge. Keep in mind, this holistic energy treatment doesn't replace other medical treatments. For best results, you'll need to change your diet and lifestyle. Let's start by strengthening your midline and central nervous system. Your spinal cord. We tense your sacrum, tailbone, and coccyx. We emphasize lymphatic channels, ducts, centers, fluids, and nodes. We strengthen your entire lymphatic system to remove dead and dying cells from your heart. We do this completely with infinite potential all the time. We integrate the lymphatic and central nervous systems. We boost cardiac tissue integration in all ways. We increase heart cell and tissue regeneration while reducing degeneration. We'll fully regenerate all arteries and veins with infinite potential constantly. We'll lower blood pressure and density, boost hydration and smooth flow. We'll remove all toxins from the blood, 100% with infinite potential, all the time. Will increase alkaline pH and decrease acidic pH in your blood. Will integrate blood with the lymphatic and energy systems and with blood vessels and the heart. Will eliminate all neurological confusion, strengthen all cells and arteries and veins to 100% with infinite potential instantly. Will erase all weaknesses to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time. Will strengthen and integrate arteries with the central nervous system, spinal cord, meninges, cerebrospinal fluid, and mind. Will integrate blood vessels with the energy system. We strengthen and integrate the energy system with blood vessels, connecting them to chakras and meridians, creating a robust, unified network. We cleanse the lymphatic system, unblock vessels, boost elasticity, and improve the heart's structural balance. We strengthen the heart, integrating it from the left side. We fortify and unite all parts, connecting left and right atria and integrating left and right ventricles bidirectionally. With a strong left ventricle integrated both ways, right atrium and ventricle, we nullify weaknesses infinitely, 100% of the time. With infinite time, we'll boost the heart's internal structure, strengthen the interventricular septum, enhance left and right atrioventricular valves, reinforcing them, strengthen coronary arteries and veins for improved circulation, integrate heart with pericardium and vice versa, all strong and unified. Reinforce the aorta, superior and inferior vena cava, 100% infinite potential all the time. We integrate the heart with nerves, spinal cord, a two-way connection for each integrate brain and heart bidirectionally. We will get strong and neutral to improve. Not fast, not slow, but steady. Be strong for positives and negatives. Let's erase and separate all mental, spiritual, and physical causes raising your blood pressure. We erase their weaknesses and combinations to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll erase resistance to change and improvement, rejection of change and growth, and fear of change. We erase this and its effect to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll also erase the effect of neglecting the body in this life and others. We'll erase the effect of self-rejection, self-punishment, and guilt from this and past lives and from ancestors and descendants. We'll also erase memories of heart attacks, strokes, heart failure, kidney failure. We erase this in ancestors, descendants, this life and others to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We'll erase bad perceptions that for your family, you're not enough, your actions don't matter, or your interests. We erase this totally, permanently, with all cumulative effects to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We'll erase the built-up effect of enduring and suffering people you dislike. Strongly release past conflicts from cells, atoms, molecules, quantum particles, tissues, organs, systems. We'll erase susceptibility, emotional damage, hurt feelings. We erase memories of heartbreak from emotional issues. We erase resistance to connecting, listening, feeling the heart. We erase all the built-up effect of what you didn't say, shout, or demand because you couldn't, didn't know how, or weren't allowed. We'll make you strong against all that affects, disgusts, annoys, disturbs, and worries you. We'll make you strong to release, erase, free, detach, forgive, protect, and forget unconditionally the need to control with your mind, having repetitive and weakening thoughts. We send this mind with its cumulative effect to other universes, existences, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, dark energy, black holes, and wormholes of the universe and beyond unknown places. Will strengthen internal and external dynamics, inner and outer limits, and vertices, as well as interactions between vertices of all geometries. We encompass now at 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. Will erase Eliminate all that hinders your blood pressure from stabilizing at its optimal level 100% of the time. Reset, recalibrate, and reprogram your body, mind, and spirit. Now tell me, do you feel the same or different? Ideally, measure your blood pressure before and after this exercise. Remember to practice this strengthening routine regularly until your blood pressure stabilizes. Also, maintain healthy habits in thinking, exercise, and diet. It's crucial. Sending you a warm hug. Thank you.